Hello, welcome to this tutorial video. My name is Rebecca Fembo. So in this tutorial we are going to learn how to design a business card using Canva. So Canva is an application which is available on both Androids as well as iPhones. So it provides a series of templates, could be business cards or any other. So you can just search and then you'll be able to download and start using the templates. Or if not using the templates, you'll still be able to create your own. It's also user friendly, just like Pixel Lab. And the other thing is Canva uses internet connection, so you have to ensure that your phone is connected to the internet. Okay, so once you download, this is how Canva appears. So let's just wait. Okay, so you click where it says templates. Now you click where it says again search templates. So we are going to type in business cards. So we will click business cards like that. Then when we've clicked the business card, we are going to search. So business cards are in two ways, depending on how the company wants you. There are those that would just prefer like the front page with the details and the back to just be a plain color, or there are those companies whereby they would ask you to design something for them and also putting the logo or just any other thing at the back. So we're going to redesign one of the templates which has 2 pages. Okay, so let's look for any. And also Canva, there are some which are for free of use and some which are pro, meaning you have to pay for them. So let's look for something that looks nice and then you'll be able to design. Okay, so we can use this one. So as you practice, feel free to use any of your choice. So just want to use this, so I'll be able to show you how to go about it. So we can start by changing the name. We just click on the name. Okay, in short, just double click on the name to come like that, and then you just clear all and then you write your name. Okay, like that. So you can see that the name is big. So like that, then you click on the name again. There are these, you can either increase like this by touching the dots. Then we've reduced the size. Then there's this other icon here, meaning we can touch it like that to expand it like that. So once we've done that, so we can just let it like that or not. So we can put like that. So let's say we're designing for a director like the way they have put, or we can redesign it the way we want. I'm going to show you everything. So we can leave it like that. So let's change the contact. For the contact, we can put ours, our code. Can do that. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. Can do this. Okay. So we can. So when you've selected something, let's say you've typed in something, you want to save it, you can just click anywhere, not where there are weights, just anywhere where there are no weights. You just click like that, it will go back to itself. Now on the website, there are some that have websites, some people don't have, some companies don't have. If they have Facebook handle or YouTube, then you also replace the icon and then you now type in their handle. So let's just put in the website here. Like that, click anywhere like that, it has saved. Then the home address for like, you can just set the location. So we can just do this. I can just do Chavuma, then I do this Northwestern. So usually they'll provide you with all the details when you're designing for someone. Then also on the logo, So on this logo, usually a company will provide you with the logo that they have, or if they don't have, then you can remove, just delete it like this by clicking on the delete icon, or if they have, you'll be able to upload by going where it says gallery, then you'll be able to upload. So let's delete it, and then I show you how to upload. Okay, we delete, then I go to where it says gallery. Okay, you wait as just the network. Okay, so I put this add to page. Okay, so I drag it there. So you can see the logo, it will have a repetition because I would want to write the name again. So let's crop it so that you scroll like this, then we click on crop. When crop comes, you can either use smart crop or you just drag, then you go up. I just want the icon for the logo like that. Then I drag it and put it there. So you can see Canva provides grids. So when you're putting something, it's able to provide you with the grids like that. So let's put it somewhere here. Okay, then this name will now put the name for the company. Okay, can put it like that. So we can either leave it like that, or we are going to reduce the size, reducing the size, and then um, writing it properly. Then we extend it like that. So you can now increase the size little like that. Okay, so this is the front page. Now here are other things that you need to bear in mind. In case the company has provided you with their own colors, you can still change the colors. So you can click on the color, then here there's color, you just click on it, and then you look for the color you want. For example, they wanted red, we can do that, it will be red. Then you go to the other color and do the same. So this is the front page. Then we go to the back page, click like that. So if they are okay with the colors, you use the same color. So we remove the logo again. Okay, so for the back page, just the same, but let's say you can't click and then be able to edit like it might appear. You check through where it says layers. So on the layers, you can do this and check, and then you double click on it. Then you'll be able to play around that one. Or if not, you can still, here where there are 6 dots, you just press and hold, and then you can take it up so that you'll be able to edit that layer that you've selected. So this is the one we want. So like that, then you click on it, then we can just place it properly. Okay, like I said, it has grids, so we are okay like that. Then you press anywhere like that. Then for the first one also, you countersign and check, okay, have you put them correctly, like following the grids. Yes, so this is how you design. And then you want to save, you just click in the top right corner. There are two icons there. Can you use any of the two? So let's say we click the first one on my right. So we click like that, and then click where it says download. On the file type you can change, but let's use the PNG file type. Then we just click on download. So once you click on download, you will just start waiting, and then it will finish to do the download. So you do this for the first page and the second page, then you will now be able to share them. So they have been saved to gallery, that one. Then we go back and then save the other one again. So for the other one, we'll save just the same we've done. Or if you want to send it as a PDF so that they will now print out, or even the same we've done, they can still print out. You can still download it as PDF. Click on download. File type you change, you come where it says PDF print. So don't include select anything, just download, then it will save as a PDF, and then you'll be able to send. Okay, thank you for following, and remember to keep practicing.